Ever wonder why you feel sluggish after that sugary donut, but energized after a balanced breakfast? Or why your concentration tanks in the afternoon without a proper lunch? The connection between what we eat and how we feel isn't just coincidence, it's science. Welcome to Food for Thought, where today we're exploring the fascinating relationship between nutrition and mental well-being. Your brain and gut are in constant communication, forming what scientists call the gut-brain axis. This bidirectional highway means that your digestive system significantly influences your mood, cognitive function, and overall mental health. What we put on our plates isn't just fuel for our bodies, it's nourishment for our minds. Let's break down 6 key nutritional strategies that can transform your mental clarity and emotional stability. First and foremost, eating regularly isn't just about satisfying hunger. When we skip meals, our blood sugar drops, triggering irritability, fatigue, and difficulty concentrating. By eating balanced meals every 3 to 4 hours, we maintain steady glucose levels, providing our brain with consistent energy and preventing those dreaded mood crashes. Next up, whole grains are mental wellness superstars. Unlike refined carbohydrates that cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, whole grains contain fiber that slows digestion, releasing glucose gradually into your bloodstream. This steady energy supply helps maintain concentration and emotional balance throughout the day. Think of it as choosing an extended-release mood stabilizer over a quick fix that leaves you crashing. Protein isn't just for building muscles, it's brain food. Foods rich in protein contain tryptophan, an amino acid that serves as a precursor to serotonin, yes, that famous happiness neurotransmitter. Research shows that adequate protein intake supports cognitive function, helping with focus, memory, and emotional regulation. Aim to include quality protein in each meal, whether from animal or plant sources. Proper hydration might be the simplest yet most overlooked aspect of cognitive function. Even mild dehydration, as little as 2% of your body weight, can impair concentration, working memory, and mood. When dehydrated, your brain has to work harder to perform the same tasks, leaving you feeling mentally drained and emotionally sensitive. The solution? Keep that water bottle handy and make hydration a priority. While that morning coffee might feel essential, timing your caffeine intake is crucial for mental wellness. Caffeine has a half-life of about 6 hours, meaning if you have coffee at 4 p.m., half of that caffeine is still in your system at 10 p.m., potentially disrupting your sleep quality. Poor sleep equals poor mood and cognition the next day, creating a bit of a vicious cycle, really. So, enjoy your caffeine before noon to protect your sleep-wake rhythm. Finally, limiting sugary, highly processed foods isn't about deprivation. It's about mental clarity. These foods typically lack essential nutrients while causing blood sugar fluctuations that affect mood. They're also often high in inflammatory compounds that research has linked to increased depression and anxiety symptoms. Instead, choose nutrient-dense foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that support brain health and emotional balance. The science behind these recommendations is, well, quite compelling. Nutrients from our diet serve as building blocks for neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, chemicals that regulate everything from mood and motivation to relaxation and focus. Without adequate nutritional support, our brain chemistry just can't function optimally. Recent neuroimaging studies even show that different dietary patterns create visible changes in brain activity. Mediterranean and traditional diets, high in vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, show enhanced connectivity in brain regions associated with emotional regulation and cognition. So, how do we translate this knowledge into practical habits? Start small, perhaps by focusing on regular eating patterns first. Prepare easy, grab-and-go breakfasts if mornings are hectic. And, keep nutrient-dense snacks handy for busy days. When planning meals, think of your plate as a mood management tool. Aim for a balance of complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, healthy fats, and colorful fruits and vegetables. This combination provides both immediate and sustained energy for your brain, along with the micronutrients needed for optimal cognitive function. Set up systems that make hydration easy, perhaps a marked water bottle that helps you track your intake, or, setting regular reminders until drinking water becomes second nature. The relationship between food and mood isn't a quick fix. It's a lifestyle approach that yields cumulative benefits over time. By making conscious nutritional choices, you're not just feeding your body, you're nourishing your mind and supporting your emotional well-being. Remember, nutrition is just one piece of the mental wellness puzzle, alongside physical activity, stress management, and good sleep habits. But it's a piece we have daily control over, a powerful opportunity to influence how we think, feel, and function. So the next time you're planning meals or grabbing a snack, remember, you're not just satisfying hunger, you're making choices that will shape your mental clarity, emotional stability, and cognitive performance in the hours to come. Your brain deserves the best fuel possible because when you eat well, you think well, and when you think well, you live well. Food for thought, nourish your mind.